Hey guys, it's Bethany from Summerly 101, and today I'll be showing you how to clean your iPad or your iPod or your iPhone or any of those things. So make sure your screen, not like the white part or the black part around it, but the screen itself where you tap to play the games and like not over there, like on the outside of your iPad, like the screen. So make sure that part has no cracks or this thing won't work. Make sure you're at a sink and got a couple Kleenexes. A couple, I mean. Get your Kleenex wet. Wring out all the extra water and just wipe your screen. And you can also play while wiping it. Which makes it much easier because you're just, and every time when you play you might move your, what you're wiping with a bit more, so just, okay, so then just wipe. Okay, so when you're done wiping all of that, you're going to get that Kleenex wet again, that same one, till it looks like that, and then just all over the screen. And then when it's good, you want to dry off your screen. And this is how I do it. So you want to place it just over, put your hand on it, and slide. It is best to do this when your iPad is off than when it's on. And then to wipe all the outside, which isn't the screen, you just dab a dry Kleenex, not like how you did it before, because I have cracks and I don't want to get it too much in the cracks. Then get that dry part and then just wipe that. My iPad is a lot cleaner. It used to be horribly gross. Really raining. And then if you want to keep it clean, either use a glasses cloth, which would actually work pretty well. And if you're watching the video today when I uploaded it, we're having pouring rain, and we're going to have this rain for 2 or 3 days. And tomorrow, later I'll have a video packing with me, because tomorrow we're going to Sudbury. I'll have a trip video, but not on our way back, because on our way back we're picking up someone, and I don't know if she wants to be in the video, and we'll probably only speak French because she mainly speaks French, and just wiping my iPad back and forth, and my iPad's like smoother. So if you want your iPad to feel like easy when you glide, just get your iPad and then see, like when you slide on your screen, it's usually hard, and especially on Minecraft, it would be hard. Now you're done, and it should be much easier. So, yeah, bye. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet.